Whoa, oh, 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 I start my day eating pineapple, wearing an aloha shirt. It's always a good day in Hawaii. Hawaii is the best, even when it rains. Hawaii is still the best. Oh, he wahi laiko, Hawaii. Hawaii, Hawaii, Hawaii. This is where I am happy. I go to the beach, swimming in the ocean, playing with the fish. We have so much fun in Hawaii. I take a nap under the coconut tree, watching the sunset. The sunsets are so beautiful.